In today's tutorial video, I will simply show you how you can change your name on Twitter. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. There are basically two types of name on Twitter. One is the display name and the other is the username. It's very easy to change the display name, but it's a little bit tricky to change the username, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change our display name, go ahead and launch the Twitter application. Once you launch Twitter app, you can see I'm logged into my account. Tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen and then go to the option called profile. Once you go to profile, tap on edit profile, and to change our display name, you can see the option called name. Just go ahead and enter the new name you would like to use. Tap on the save button on the top right corner and your changes will be successfully saved. But to change our username, as you can see, it's currently right over here. We have to tap on our profile icon again, scroll down a little to the bottom, go to settings and support, scroll down, expand the menu, select settings and privacy. Here you just want to select your account. As you select your account, go to account information, and here at the very top you can see the option called username. Just tap on it, and all you have to do is enter the new username you would like to be changed to and tap on the done button at the bottom if the username is available. And that's all it takes to change the name as well as username on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon in our next video.